Stop recording. End illustration of red circle. Speech off.
Okay, so this is Monday, September, is it the 20th? Yeah, I think it is. September 20th, 2021. And we are outside. Wait for me. You're going to have to walk with me, silly.
You have to walk with you?
Yes. Come on. So where you want to look? Hold on, let's do sighted guide because...
Okay. I see grass. I see bushes.
What do the bushes look like?
They look green and they look like they're already changing color.
What colors?
So, like orange only.
Orange only?
Mm-hmm. Grass is also changing orange only.
Oh, yeah? Are there any leaves anywhere?
The leaves in emphasis, yeah, that's already has fallen.
Uh-huh.
And I see Johnny's house. Well, he has all of his bushes.
Mm-hmm.
No other leaves have fallen off from that. And if anything, they've fallen off from us. And
Hold
then
on,
I see 2 trash cans.
Well, we're not looking for the trash cans. I just want to know what leaves and stuff look like.
And I see some ants.
How can you see ants?
Oh, I just have good vision of them, I guess.
Where are we going?
Going down the street.
Hmm?
We're going down the street.
Are you able to find our way back?
Yeah.
Okay. Just going for a walk.
Uh-huh.
What else?
And I see more cars, more trash cans, and trees.
What do the trees look like?
They look like, I also see more bushes. They look cool and they look pretty.
They look pretty?
Ah, the bush!
What colors?
Dark green and light green.
Mm-hmm.
And we're passing my car right now. I see somebody's house that has an American flag.
Uh-huh.
I see somebody that has a welcome sign.
Okay. But I want to know more about trees and things.
I have trees. Then there's more trees and bushes.
What do they look like?
They look like they're growing bushes. Some of the bushes are having flowers growing them, and the trees we just passed by are just dark green and light green.
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh.
Mm. We're going to walk all the way to the end?
I guess I can say that.
Okay. We can do that and then turn around and come back.
Then we're passing over a sewer thing right now.
Yeah, I know. This is the way to go when you went to school.
Yeah. I see cars, bush, some more spiky bush, another spiky bush. Ooh, these spiky. I see more trees and they're all light green.
They're all light green. Do they have leaves on them?
Yes.
Yeah.
I see another bush
Mm-hmm.
and more trash cans and somebody's grass that is growing grassy things on it.
Oh, yeah?
And I see a sign. I see a pole that says Nipomo Valley.
No, that's the name of the street.
Oh yeah,
Pomo Valley, yep.
Homo Valley.
Good
And
job.
then we're pushing over another sewer thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then
Okay, tell me more about trees.
Okay, and we're about to be at the curve.
Okay.
And we are at the curve.
All right. Want to turn around and go back?
Yep. Let's walk back.
Okie dokie.
Jeez, how are you going? Jeez, how are we go over here already?
Mm-hmm. Well, we walked this a lot, remember?
Oh yeah.
Nice little walk, huh?
Yeah.
It's so nice right now, too. You feel the sun? What do you feel?
I feel the sun and I feel like the air.
You feel a breeze?
Mm-hmm.
Is it behind us?
In front of us and behind us and right beside us.
And the sun's in
and
front of
beside
us, huh? Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah.
But it's almost winter, so...
Well, it's fall right now.
Yeah.
The first day of fall is a Wednesday.
When's Wednesday?
Hmm.
When's Wednesday?
Today is Monday, right?
Uh-huh.
Tomorrow's Tuesday and then Wednesday.
Ooh, one more day.
Yep.
Wait, that means I'm the first day. Well, it's my birthday.
Day before your birthday.
Oh.
Hmm.
I'm gonna turn 8.
Yep.
That's why it's everybody. That's why it's for everybody to know I like tacos now. Oh, sorry, I was trying to guide you. I wasn't trying to guide you.
I know.
Oh, poor doggy.
The doggy even started barking. He's like, what's going on?
He's like, I'll protect you guys. I'll be out there. We'll be out there. We'll be out there.
Cool. Thanks for the descriptions.
You're welcome.
Although there aren't that many things to look at, huh? Yet.
There is a whole bunch of things to look at, but I can't describe all of them.
Yeah. Daddy said there's a lot of leaves in our backyard.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Hmm.
Yeah, there is.
Next time we'll do that.
Yeah. I think our neighborhood's beautiful, though.
I think so too. Is our driveway?
Yep, it's our
Okay.
driveway.
Cool. Look, it smells in the air.
I know.
Smell the flowers. Okay. Pretty cool. Good job.
Ow, sorry. Step.
All right. Let's do some reading, okay?
Okay.
Okay. That was neat.
Yeah.
See, like, and then the more times we do it, you're gonna notice a change
Okay.
in the way
Speech on.
things look.
Duration. Stop recording button.